Hi friends, today we are solving one um, good question from FreeCodeCamp, that is array insertion. So you are given an array and a value to insert into the array and an index to insert the value at, and you are asked to return a new array with the value inserted at the specified index. So these are the tests that are being passed to the uh, insert array function, and you are supposed to return a new array which would consist of all the elements of the previous array plus the value, whatever value at the specified index that also need to be appended. So how we go about solving this is, let me open the notepad. So let me create a temp new list, new empty list, that I'll name it new array. Here I will iterate through all the elements of the array of the past argument and insert each of these one by one into the new array. For index and value, and to fetch index and value at the same time, we in Python we used a function called enumerate. So index value in enumerate of array, we are supposed to mm, append new array dot append array at the specified index. But what this function is actually doing is, it will only return the previous array with the new variable, but the specified job for this function is to insert the given value at the specified index, right? So if you are matching with the index, if the idx given here is, if the idx given here is matching with the index that is being passed, with this index that is being passed, then you will have to append this value as well. So for that I will give you a if condition. Mm, let's say, let's write that one as, for if idx is equal to index. So this is the index that is being passed. Okay. If idx is equal to index, then new array would be appended with the value that is passed in the function. This way, we are also having the new array and also the value at the specified index. So there will be one addition to the list of the element, to the elements in the returning array, as you can see in the return result. So but also we are facing an edge condition. So what if we are passed with an empty list here? As you can see here, you are passed with an empty list, mm, and with the zero value at the zero index. And the problem what this can give you is it will not start with the for loop, because the since the list is empty, the for loop would not start. So for that we also need to have a if condition which would should override this and let you let you do your work. So let's say I'll simply give a check for the length of the new array after all these operations. If suppose this length is 0, then I will have to manually append new array dot append the value at the at the whatever at zero index, of course, and at the value that is passed in the function. So now you can return the new array. This way you will not will be able to um, do the problem. So let me quickly write down the code for you. New array, defining an empty list and iterating uh, through the list that is being passed. If the index is equal to the index that is passed, if that index that is being passed, then I will append the value that is being passed. If not, then I will simply append. I'll simply append array of whatever index it is. So this is only so the to deal with the edge condition, I'm checking for the length of the new area after the for loop, and if that is 0, then new array dot append of value that is passed. So when you return the new array, all the tests will be are being passed. So that's it for today with the array insertion problem. And tomorrow let's come up with another question or a concept, and let's try to simplify it as much as possible and make the explanation much more clearer. Thank you for listening. Hope I see you next time.